They laid the road where the fences stood, where the roll was called and the names fell short. Canvas tents and winter breath, waiting on letters that never caught. Boot heels pressed into Ohio clay. Time slowed down to a counting game. Every mile east was a rumor then. Freedom talked about, never claimed. Before the wire, before the guns, before the state drew its straight lines through, there was a ribbon of dust and stone. Wagons west and the eastbound too. First promise signed in iron and sweat, a federal dream with a broken spine. You can still feel it under the tires if you listen close between the lines. There's a road on the road I'm on. There's a voice in the concrete tone. Sound walls rise, but they don't erase what the land still knows, what it won't let go. I'm moving east, but I'm not alone. Every mile pulls another ghost. They don't shout, they don't explain, they just ride with me beneath the sound. By the shift change bell, by the light on the guardhouse door. Some walked out, some stayed put, some never stood up anymore. No markers left, no names in stone, just an exit number passing by. The ground remembers every step, even when the map says otherwise. Came asphalt, then came speed, then came walls to quiet the view, built to carry what won't stop, built to hide what we drove through. Neighborhoods folded into lanes, history paved thin and wide. Progress hums at 70 miles while the past rides quiet inside. There's a road under the road I'm on. There's a voice in the concrete tone. Sound walls rise, but they don't erase what the land still knows, what it won't let go. I'm moving east, but I'm not alone. Every mile pulls another ghost. They don't shout, they don't explain, they just ride with me beneath the sound wall. I don't slow down, I don't turn back. I let the white lines pull me through, but I feel the weight in the steering wheel, like the land is asking me to know it too. Not every monument stands tall. Some stay buried, some stay plain. If you hear nothing at all out here, that silence still has a name. I remember when the water chose, where the edges broke and the ground let go. Houses lean where the river bent. Nothing stayed long enough to be permanent. I carried names and I carried silk. I raced what hands had tried to build. I was movement before I was land, a place no one could command. Then lines were drawn and the channel held, the current slowed, the banks were shelled. Stone and paper replaced the mud. Decisions rose where the river was. They didn't shout, they didn't swear. They spoke in rooms with filtered air. I learned to sit, I learned to wait, I learned the way of the word stay. No towers here to pierce the sky, no single shape to symbolize, just corridors that hum and run from early light to setting sun. Power learned to travel light, leave no shadow, make no fight. If you looked away, you'd miss the turn. That's how this place prefers to work. Now I move what I'm told to move. Eastbound steady, nothing to prove. Traffic flows and the systems agree. Everything works quietly. You passed through and felt no claim, no myth to learn, no name to say. I was built to never ask you to stay, and that is how I hold my place. Corridors long past the light turning green. Bass talks low where the houses lean. Nothing here has to be seen, just somebody songwriting shotgun. Windows cracked, winter air thin. Life keeps moving without checking in. This street never learned how to win, but it learned how to carry on. Hands built rails they never rode. Punched the clock, then took the load. Names got lost where the city flowed. East side never kept the credit. What they made kept the lights on west. What they broke never got confessed. Still the day shows up like the rest. No monument, no edit. No monument, no big houses watching the years fall through. Paint wore off what pride once knew. Doors stayed closed but the walls still knew what it felt like to be important. Now they stand like they learned restraint. Not ashamed, but not what they ain't. Memory fades, but the brick still ain't. Looking for forgiveness. Water rose, then the water ran. Took whole blocks like it always planned. Left no line where the street once spanned. Just a curve and no warning. Concrete came, said stay inside. Straightened out what the flood denied. Now the creek just slides on by like it never took a thing. Like it never took a thing. Highway hums where a house once stood. Steel talks loud like progress should. Cuts the map just like it's good at dividing the quiet. People move but the sound stayed back. Riding subs in an old track. Not trying to heal the crack, just filling the space. No one playing for the crowd tonight. No spotlight, no reason why. Just a song getting someone by till tomorrow shows up. History don't shout, it breathes. In the gap between words and needs. Still here, still doing what it sees. Still not asking for much. 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 Before the blacktop, before the sign, before the lanes were numbered lines, they roll west slow on iron wheels, dust in the teeth, calloused heels. No postcards here, no promised land, just a ribbon cut through working hands. They called it progress, called it a way to carry the weight and get paid by day. Wagons groaned where engines would rise, same long stare and tired eyes. The road didn't care who came or stayed, it just kept score of the miles they made. It never stopped, it just changed skin. Same hard pull, just rolling in. From dirt to steel, to concrete scar. It never stopped, it carried us far. And then steel learned speed, learned how to scream. Nighttime oil and kerosene, they ran it hard where houses stand. Blew motors just to prove the plan. Crowds went home, the lights went dark, but the ground still remembers driving park. Now it's tires humming concrete skin, 18 wheels in the daily spin. Same eastbound pull, same westbound drag. Lunch pail shifts the plastic bag. You don't slow down, you don't remark, you pass right through what built the spark. They paved it over, paved it again, changed the names, moved the bends, but every mile still knows the load. Every tire feels the old road. You don't see, you don't ask, you just inherit the task. every fence falls, but work stays loud in the engine calls. From horse to piston to freight at dawn, the motion stayed when the cheers were gone. If this place speaks, it don't brag or bark, it just says moved and leaves its mark. It never stopped, it just changed skin. Same hard pull, just right.